Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anil Saharan, and in today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to confidently start conversations, turn small talk into meaningful discussions, and handle those awkward moments like a pro. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time or trying to connect on a deeper level, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Master the art of conversation. Start, connect, and deepen conversations. 1. Introduction. Start with questions. Have you ever felt stuck in a conversation? Like you don't know how to start or make it meaningful? Or maybe you face those awkward silences that make you want to disappear? Set the purpose. In this video, I'll teach you the art of starting conversations, turning small talk into deep discussions, and managing awkward situations effortlessly. Tease the benefits. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident in talking to anyone, be it strangers, colleagues, or friends. Part 1. How to start a conversation. Key points with detailed explanations. 1. Smile and make eye contact. A simple smile can break barriers and make you seem approachable. Pair it with a confident yet gentle eye contact. It's the universal language of connection. Example: imagine you're at a party. You catch someone's eye, smile, and say, "Hi, how's it going?" That's all it takes to start. Use your environment as inspiration for starting a conversation. At an event, what do you think about today's speaker? In a queue, this line is moving slowly, isn't it? At a cafe, do you recommend this coffee? It's my first time here. 3. Ask warm questions. Start with friendly and neutral questions like, "How's your day going so far? What brings you here today?" Tip: avoid personal or controversial topics like politics or religion initially. 4. Compliments work wonders. Everyone loves being appreciated. Compliments, when genuine, can open the door to a great conversation. Example: that's a unique watch. Is there a story behind it? 5. Be mindful of your body language. Open, relaxed postures show you're interested and engaged. Avoid crossing your arms or looking distracted. Part 2. How to turn small talk into deep conversations. Add depth with these strategies. 1. Ask open-ended and thought-provoking questions. Examples: what inspired you to choose your profession? If you could travel anywhere, where would it be and why? Why it works? Open-ended questions encourage storytelling and deeper sharing. 2. Use follow-up questions. Movies. Have you watched anything interesting lately? When someone gives you an answer, dig a little deeper. For example, if they say, "I love traveling," ask, "What's the most memorable trip you've been on?" 3. Share personal insights. A two-sided conversation is key. If someone shares a hobby, share a related experience. Example: they mention hiking, and you say, "I went hiking last year in the Himalayas. The views were breathtaking." 4. Express genuine curiosity. Say things like, "That's fascinating. Tell me more. I've never thought of it that way. How did you come up with that?" Bond over shared interests or experiences. For instance, "I've never thought of it that way. How did you come up with that?" 5. Find common ground. Bond over shared interests or experiences. For instance, "You love reading too? What's your favorite book?" Find common ground. Bond over shared interests or experiences. For instance, "You love reading too? What's your favorite book?" How to handle awkward moments. Address the silence. If things feel awkward, call it out in a light-hearted way. "Looks like we've run out of things to say. Let me think of something." Have a go-to topic bank. Keep a mental list of universal topics. Travel. Have you been anywhere exciting recently? Food. What's your go-to comfort food? Laugh it off. A small joke can ease tension. For example, Awkward silences are underrated. It's like a dramatic pause in life. Change the topic gracefully. Use transitions like, "Speaking of books, have you read anything good lately? This reminds me of something funny that happened last week." End on a positive note. If things still feel uncomfortable, wrap up with a smile. It was nice talking to you. Hope to catch up again soon. Bonus tips for better conversations. Be present. Put your phone away. Pay full attention to the other person. Avoid monopolizing the talk. A conversation is like tennis. Serve and let them return. Respect boundaries. If someone seems uninterested or busy, don't push too hard. Keep a positive attitude. People are drawn to optimism. Smile often and maintain an upbeat tone. Conclusion. Summarize key points. We covered how to start a conversation, deepen it meaningfully, and handle those tricky, awkward moments. These simple techniques can transform your social skills. Ask for engagement. What's the hardest part of a conversation for you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps me bring you more valuable content. This is Anil, signing off. See you in the next video with more tips and insights. Until then, keep connecting and stay confident. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you master the art of conversation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Anil Saharan, for more such content. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. This is Anil, signing off. See you in the next video. Take care and keep growing.